you lived around here, Sig would kick your ass.
Only because you're British. I hate British people.
I'm pretty sure that if I gave Sig money, he would fly to London and beat your ass.
I don't live in London, though.
And he would fly to London and find you and beat your ass.
Alright. Yeah, she was saying that she doesn't like having sex with you when you're drunk.
Ah! No one likes having sex with Sig when he's drunk. That's all there is to it.
You know what? I don't need this. I don't need this.
Yes, you do, Sig.
Don't tell her I told you.
No one likes it.
She lied walks in the countryside and you tell Joe you don't like having sex with me. Oh, it's too late now. It's too late. You know what? I don't know what's going on here. We're gonna have. You know what? I'm calling the lawyer. If you're shooting me, why are you shooting me? Great. Why are you really Hey, you rubbish.
Oh, little TV. There's nothing good about a little TV.
I'm good with about kids.
Hope you die.
She only says it's sick. She only says it because she doesn't want drunk babies.
Fuck you!
Every child that comes
You're awful at Halo.
she doesn't want you sperm if you've been drinking. It's a silly lie. That's how everyone does.
You suck at Halo.
You're about to get out my level.
Shut up.
Bad homie.
Yeah, shut up.
How fat are you, kid?
Got 2 needles stuck in your butt, dude.
Okay, no. This game is full of shit. That's full.
17 guys on my egg. All in blue, I think.
You're dead.
Are you killing guys on our team?
Yes, I am. They're shooting at me. So I'll kill them.
You guys keep playing. He's just baiting Rachel, isn't he? You said what, Joe? Should keep playing.
What the heck? See? Look like that. Yeah, I know. It wasn't your bad. You meant to do it, you idiot. I'm not Canadian. I'm American. I'm American, you idiot. You're an idiot. Gosh. I think somebody's killing each other. I mean, gosh. Idiot body. Oh, crap! What is that? What is that? What is that? I want it. One on one. What? Alright. Wait a second. Wait a second.
Betrayal.
Wait. You set it up. My God. You set it up. You set it up. I don't want to be the leader. I don't. Okay. Wait a second. Okay. Wait. Wait a second. Okay, I'm setting it up right now. I am.
Warning, live fire exercise underway.
You set it up. You set it up.
Slay.
You set it up. I don't know how. So, I can't set it up. I can't. How? Dude. I don't know how. Set it up. I don't know how to set it up. I don't know how to. Okay, how do I do that crap? Okay, I'm going. You gotta go too.
Alright, that's okay. Rachel, here's Bob. Bob, please meet
Hi,
Rachel.
Bob.
Tell Bob about the fingers.
The fingers? My
The
finger fetish? I have a bunch of people's fingers cut off and then they're put in a jar.
You were not in the game with Rachel. Rachel, tell Bob about the fingers.
Holy shit, Bob, you are very loud at the moment.
Tell Bob about what?
About the fingers.
Is this not Rachel?
The fingers. The fingers. They're in a jar and then they're cut off.
Who is this?
They keep them in the basement.
The most interesting person I've met on Halo in a long time.
Sometimes I like to get them out and play with them like they're little Barbies. I don't have Barbies because I light them on fire.
How many fingers do you have, Rachel?
Right now, I have 7. Because I have 7 people in my basement, I like to keep the numbers evened out.
7 fingers, 7 people you rape.
Yes.
What happened to the rest of the fingers?
You don't want to know.
Got him for a midnight snack.
Is this a joke? Is this a joke? I can't play with this person.
Why not? I was just want to be your best friend.
Dude, fucking Joe's laughing. Stop me, man.
Oh, stop.
Bob, don't you have any questions for her? Like, what does she do with the fingers?
I already told you I get them and I play with them like I do Barbies, except I don't have any Barbies. One time I cut off my sister's hair and put it on the top of them.
You have a sister?
Yeah.
What's her name?
Lucy.
Lucy?
She doesn't like me because I always cut off her hair.
How long have you been cutting her hair off? I can't, please, stop.
Huh?
How old is this person?
You have
I'm
no
8.5.
8.5.
Mr. Lee, you should not be talking to her.
You're right.
This is.
No, huge pink fly, whatever his name is my best friend, and he's gonna give me his exact location. Bob, I don't want to be your friend. And he's gonna give me his exact
You're
location.
not giving anybody his exact location.
I can come to his house and kidnap him, put him in the basement.
No,
Then I'll have 8 people, and then I can have 8 fingers.
I'm sorry. Is this happening? Did you boot? Oh, Mr. Lou, why? Just get that person back. That was amazing. That has to be a joke. Whether or not it is a joke or not, it is one of the most committed actings I've ever seen.
I was mean. No, I don't want to be your friend.
Rachel, Bob wants to be your friend.
I don't want to be Bob's friend. Bob is probably going to try and rape me.
Bob doesn't have a penis. He can't do that.
Bob is asexual like a Ken doll.
Bob, I will only be your best friend if you give me your exact location. Exact. That means I want instructions in your house.
This is definitely a dude, isn't it? He's just like, he's got really good 8-year-old impressions. I'll turn up at Mr. Lou's and... How to catch
Bob, what do you
credit
say?
the Lou version.
What's GPS? Hold on, no, send it to me in a message. Crayons. Hold on, let me find my crayons. No, I gotta find my crayons.
Oh, I can't do this. This is a setup.
I have a pencil.
Of course it's a setup, Joe.
My name's not Joe, you don't know me, I don't know any of you. Service tag is not Joe, it means job. J-O-B. I know none of you, you were just invited me and I'm used to this.
Okay, I got pencil and I got paper.
From all I know,
Wait, what? How do you spell that? Google it. Okay.
You can Google it on your Etch-a-Sketch.
Your own personal glue machine.
No, I need your zip code. You can also give me your social security if you want to, but 11771. Okay.
Yeah.
Gotcha. I gotcha. Yeah, I do. I'm not a fan of yours. Well, anyways, this has been very fun. Thank you guys. No, shut up. Thank you guys for giving me a good laugh. And bye-bye.
That was impressive. We're all getting hot. I am deleting my credit card off of this. That is a 50-year-old man who's just found his location. Oh my god, that was
1, 2, 3, chivalry lane. Look, Josh is queen again.
oh shit. Oh, bye. Well, I think we just called a night after that.
Go in there and make me a sandwich.
It's not